Look Peller finish, call am Olodo uprising. See the amount of dignitaries. Look at the amount of billionaires Peller is pulling for his white wedding today. Peller had a very luxurious and astonishing white wedding, and you have seen the amount of people that turned up with super expensive and luxurious cars. The man, Mr. Ochacho, that gifted him a mansion of what 400 million naira was present. Mr. P, oh God, I saw him looking fresh and clean. Amid all the whole crisis going on with his family, he still came out to show support to Peller. He was seen with a wonderful smile. And also Happy Forest, Jeffrey Benson came up with their super expensive and luxurious cars. It was a beautiful, beautiful one. Peller and Jarvis were seen looking beautiful. Their cake astonishing, their dress, the wedding was just perfect. This is the full highlight of how the whole wedding went down.
Sorry, good day, sir. Space, please. Amazing, sir.
Thank you very much.
Who are you wearing tonight?
God bless you.
Who are you wearing tonight?
I don't even know.
What do you wish the couple?
The best, man.
Thank you so much. Well done.
You're not ready. No, it's just my brother. Hey, I want to take video with you. Mommy, you look so beautiful. No, this is
Ladies and gentlemen, if you do know and believe that love would last forever between these two, can I please have an L? If you also do know and believe that these two, Peller and Jarvis, will stay together and forever as one, can I please have an O? Ladies and gentlemen, if you know and believe that this thing called value would never run dry in their marriage, can I please have a V? And ladies and gentlemen, if you know that this matrimony would forever and ever be excellent, can I have an E? And together we scream love. Thank you. Thank you.
Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please let's give them a round of applause. Like I said, it's not easy to do this, and when you find great people who are ready and committed to do this, we must appreciate them. At this moment, we'd like to place blessings over the newly wedded couple.
To spend the rest of my life with, from today, it is not. Today, tomorrow,
okay,
and
sorry.
for the rest of my life,
Pastor, one more.
I choose you.
Do we have anyone who...
Wind down a little bit. Wind down a little bit. Hello, sir. be on our logo. They could be on our logo. Why not? Man, I don't hear this photo. Hello. I beg. Now so. Destiny Airport. That's why you carry them come out. Clear people. Bangalore.